could go into the browser settings like ChatGPT told us over there and set these in the browser's proxy settings. But this plugin, Foxy Proxy, just makes it easier. Or that's not Foxy Proxy. It's right here. Foxy Proxy makes it easier to just sort of turn on that proxy profile. So what we did is we made a profile for that proxy. So I just call it Pandora. And then we go over here. It's going to be a SOCKS proxy. Why? I will show you. I'm going to show everything. So 127.0.0.1. We'll say 9050 because that's the port we forwarded on. Remember that from earlier. And we don't need to specify credentials because SOCKS is through SSH. If you look up what a SOCKS proxy is, it's using an SSH tunnel. So it's already programmed to look for an SSH tunnel with that port specified. So hit save. Boom. We have it. It's on. Let's see. I think we have to, I keep clicking that. We have to turn this on now. So if I open up another tab and I'm on PoemBox and we go cat etc proxy chains.conf, we'll see here, this is the default configuration and it's a SOCKS proxy. Let me, I think I'll have to show you like here. Yeah. See, it's a SOCKS proxy by default. So boom. Yeah, so that's why that's there. We can go back to our browser, and what we can do now, we should be able to look up, we should be able to do 127.0.0.1, and it's actually proxying that request through 9050 to the local host of, as weird as it sounds, the local host of the target machine, because we created that SSH tunnel, the proxy, and we have that host name in the host file.